Okay guys, the hair I received is from the company Allove Hair, and they sent me an HD 13x4 lace frontal wig, which is a Brazilian deep wave wig, and they sent it in 24 inches. And here it's how the hair is looking. It's super pretty and soft, and the pattern it's extremely beautiful. I love this curl pattern, and this is how it looks on the inside. So I'm gonna jump right into the tutorial. I'm gonna start by slicking back the front of my braids. This helps me control my baby hairs, because my baby hairs can get a little crazy. So this actually helps me control them when it comes to applying wigs. After that, I'm gonna put my wig cap on, and I'm going to spray down with some Got2b so you can stay in place and you can give the whole bowl cap method. You guys know that's my favorite way of putting my wigs on. I went ahead and I dried down the wig cap, the Got2b on the wig cap with my blow dryer, and I use it in cold air. You want to make sure the air is cold and not hot. Don't make that mistake. And then I went ahead and I put some foundation so we can match my skin tone. I'm trying to make this video as quick as possible so you guys don't get lost with any too many details or anything like that. I'm being very straightforward. So right here, I'm cleaning out any excess Got2b on my forehead. You don't want that. I'm using a pre-wet alcohol pad, and I feel like those work best because you can be as neat as possible without touching the wig cap or the lace or anything. So here you guys can see that I already went ahead and customized the wig off camera. I plugged it and I bleached the nuts to my liking because I'm the one that's gonna be wearing this hair. And honestly, I am extremely happy on how I made it look. Lately my technique has been on point, so if you guys want to see a video on how I do that, let me know. I have it, and I'm just gonna wait for you guys to let me know so I can upload it. For applying my wig in this video, I'm going to be using the E-Bean or E-Bine, I don't know how to say the name, Wonder Lace Bond spray. And I've seen a lot of people using it, and honestly I wanted to try it out. And you guys, this spray is actually really good. It lasts for a long time and it's super sticky, so you need to work fast. That's why I'm working in sections, because it's super sticky and it gets the job done. If you want to do like a quick installation, no glue included, this is your product, point blank period. And yeah, after spraying and using the comb to blow dry it a little bit, I'm gonna tie it with my elastic band, and then after a few minutes I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Tying your hairline with elastic band when you're installing the wig, it's gonna happen like a few times, so don't think that you're just gonna have to tie it. If you want the best results, just keep in mind that you're gonna have to put that elastic band a few times. So here I'm cutting my lace. I know I need to change those scissors. Like, those are huge. They're very useful for other things, but it's really like a hustle to use them when I'm doing my hair. And for some reason I keep procrastinating on buying a new pair of small scissors. I'm using another alcohol pad to clean up any excess hair adhesive or glue or spray. and I'm gonna go ahead and start getting some of the hair out for my baby hairs. I know right now it looks kind of crazy. To be honest, I was a little bit lost when it came to using the spray. That was my first time and I was a little bit scared, so I kind of didn't do it the proper way at first, but I did fix it. So you know, I'll just say trust the process. I know it looks a little crazy, but trust the process. I know what I'm doing. I mean, I don't know, but I'll figure it out. And yeah, I just decided to apply a little more spray. Use my blow dryer again with cold air. You want to use the cold settings, and then I'm gonna tie it back up with my elastic band to make sure it stays in place. And while that's doing that, I'm going to work on the hair. I decided to go with a middle part for this hair, and I'm super happy with my decision. I'm using my hot comb all over the lace to make sure it stays flat and pretty and perfect. And I'm using some wax stick. This one is from the wig dealer, and it's honestly my favorite wax stick. I love it. It gives me the best shine, and it smells good, and it gives me the best results, and it also doesn't feel like I'm putting too much product. Okay, now that I'm done with the hot comb, I'm going to go ahead and work on my baby hair. So as you guys can see, the lace is looking a little better than it was before. I would say there's still a little residue from the spray that I'm gonna go ahead and clean off camera, but right now I'm using some mousse to shape my baby hairs. I didn't want to do too many baby hairs, so I kept it pretty minimal, and I just did the little side swoops and the swoops or whatever it's called. I don't know. I did the little baby hairs on the side, and I also did my sideburns, and I went and styled the hair with some water and hair products. I didn't put too many hair products because I just don't like when the hair just feels heavy from hair products. So yeah, this is the final results. I went ahead and I did my makeup off camera, and as you guys can see, the hair looks amazing. Like, this hair is so pretty. The pattern looks so great after styling it with some water and hair products. I'm gonna try to put the hair product that I use somewhere on the screen, but yeah, this is everything for the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you want information and details on this hair, please make sure to check the description box. Love you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.